So today we will see how to debug in Spring Tool Suite STS. STS or Eclipse, I think it is pretty much same. The debugging way. Just opening my STS. It is not added to the Windows Start application, so I am opening like this. I can pin to taskbar also. That is your wish. I created one folder in D drive. It is STS work, Spring Tool Suite work. So the debugging is very important in the real time. The freshers or who are trying for the job, at least they should have some basic knowledge about the debugging. I'm just creating one Java project. And create. It is forcing us to create a package. So better we'll create one package. So the industry standards it will be like org dot company name. So here you can create one class. So class is created. I'm just print with this one. So this is simple hello world program. We can execute this one. Another Java application. So run on server for the Tomcat. It is for web application. So ours is a simple application. So we can do with the Java application. Hello world is printed. So I'm declaring some variable here. B equal to 20. Into C equal to A plus B. I'm doing. So I'm keeping one debugger point here. So here the line number is there. You can just click on this one. So this is the run hello and debug hello. So this is the debugger. You can click on here and just start the debugger. Switch. So this is the debug perspective will change. So here we have the this is the player resume. Resume means it will go on, it will go to the next breakpoint and it will wait. So this is the step into. So step into currently don't use. You can use for method. Suppose here some method call is there. If you want to go inside this method, then use the step into. This is step over. Step over means next line. Here they are telling step over F6 you can use. It will go to next line and hover on the A. Hover on the A variable, it will show the so A is assigned to the value 10. So like this, I'm clicking on the F6. So you can see in the C the what value it is there. So C is storing the 30. And if you don't want, you can if you want to go back, there will be some scenarios. If you there will be some scenarios to go back also. There will be drop to frame option. Currently drop to frame option is not there. You can use this drop to frame option also if you have a nested methods. Currently I'm playing it. Suppose drop to frame. If you want to use drop to frame, I'm creating one more class A. Item 2. Let me create A equal to E. So it's telling A already declared. I'm removing this one. Just call A dot M1. So you keep one debugger point here in the A dot M1 and A dot M2. So just run the. So here the perspective is currently in the debug mode. You can click on the open perspective. You will be having different perspective. If you want to go back to Java, you can click the Java default, the debug mode. So two perspectives. Perspective is the mode of view. Just running it again. So it came to A. I'm pressing F6. You can do the step over. A object is created. Okay. A dot M1. You can keep one here also. So it came to I pressed F6. It came to insert the method the M1 because M1 we have the debugger point. It will print the am M1 and it will come outside of this method, and again it will go to A dot M2. Now again we have A dot M2. We have the debugger point here. If you come step over, it will come to here. So drop to frame is not still activated. I think it is a step into. If you want to go inside this method, you can do step into and step over. See, now we have the drop to frame option. So this is very important. So I want to go back now. So I want to go back. I want to go back. Okay, currently it's not going. Actually, it should go to M1 part of the method. So come. So it came out of the main method. So this drop to frame option, I will make one more video. Please subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you guys.